Welcome back. I apologize for the weird cuts. So now we're going to be using another web hosting actually. Same web hosting which is two hosts, but we're going to be using another domain and subdomain. The other one couldn't connect because of Cloudflare. I apologize for that once more. So now basically what we've done before, we're going to do it again quickly. So I'm going to create database here and I'm going to name it BillPay in respect to the actual script name BillPay. So I'm going to click on next step to actually go to the next one, next phase. Same thing again. I'll just copy all this. Nope. So it's there. Click on it. Do not forget the password, really important. So create user, and in the next phase, we're going to give the user the permission. Make sure you enable it for all the permission actually. So give it all privilege, then make changes. So for the script, the according to it over down here, it says we need at least PHP version 8.1. So I want to come over here now. We've created the database. Save this, copy this. Then go back to your home, which is the cPanel. So let's go over here to look at free available domains or subdomains we can use. I've created a few back here. So let's just see the subdomain we can use. Click on it. So we have quite a lot. Let's check on hosting. There shouldn't be anything on hosting. Public, upload. Oh no, this is where my movies are kept. So data. So I think this was when I installed the last hosting, but I don't think this is working anymore. So we're going to remove this one instead. So I want to come over here. Remember the script you installed. Let's look for data over here. So this is data. Okay, this is the Pay script. So I'm just going to do this. I'm going to compress both into a zip so I can save the files. I'm basically just trying to back up my documents and my files I already have on this website. I'm going to delete the rest of them and send it to you. So I'm just going to do this. Delete. Yes, permanently. Then do the same thing for everything written up here. Then delete it. So now we're going to upload the script from our laptop to the web hosting. So let's quickly reload this page. You can see it's still deleting a bunch of files, so it's done. So click on upload. Select more. Let's go over here to downloads. You can see this is the website script I bought from Code Canyon. Once again, I say this once again, I have the extended license, which means I can give it to you. But I can't give it to you for free because it was $49. You can see very expensive. But I'm going to give it to you for almost nothing. For almost nothing. So let's come back to the website. It should be done. Okay, now whilst waiting for this is it's actually not done uploading yet, but we're still waiting for it. So if you've actually watched the video this far, please give it a like, thumbs up. So now let's make preparations for the hosting and the domain. Sorry for the script itself. Now we're going to actually need to check the software. Yeah, let's check on the PHP management manager and the PHP init. So for the looking for data 8.1 means should work. So let's check it again. I apologize. This is going to be the first video of many. So as you can see, it has a front end, it has a user panel. This is basically where your customers are going to interact. It has an admin panel here as well. So if you want a mobile version, you can actually book it with them and they're going to build it for you using Flutter. So the BillPay is a complete management solution. Yeah, it comes with a bunch of these. I think these are only available for the admin panels. But what I really like and what is really interesting about this entire script is the BillPay section. Now they are going to actually allow us use multiple APIs like Flutterwave, Reloadly, Twilio. I don't think Twilio is there. Okay, Reloadly, Flutterwave, Tpagger, and Block. And for as for payment gateways, we have a bunch of them. You can even use crypto. You can set crypto as your data, which I actually like that. You can set up your SEO logo. You can give them a real in-time app notification. So now let's go back to our upload at 79%. So now we're just waiting for this to reach 100. Then we can extract the file. We can extract the file, then locate the configuration file in the script folder, which is usually named config.php or .env. I repeat again, it is usually named config.php or .env. So after that, I'm going to show you how to actually input your database name, database user, and database password. Then after you save the file, then we're going to run the installation wizard for everything. So now waiting for this to turn green. It needs to turn green to complete. Done. So, so you load this page once more. You should have it installed on your server or put it on your server. So come over and click on extract. Just extract it there. So after extraction, let's go over once again to the database URL for the um domain are hosting or the subdomain we're actually hosting the scripts. This is it. This is why we have it open. So close. What we want to do now is actually just this is the project we need to upload. So I want to move this or rather extract this. We want to extract it to the data. Extract this here. So this is going to be outside over here, but clicking on this, we should see the documentation for it. So this is basically how to install it. This is how you install the website. So the server requirements, a bunch of this. I think we should have all this covered. As you can see, it's following the same procedure I did for you. MySQL database user, you create this, and then you import it. So now let's go and import it. We didn't actually import it first. So while waiting for this to extract finish, let's go over here to our database we created before. So come over here to yeah, PHP admin. Waiting for this to load, let's go back and check on the file. Okay, it's finished extracting. So we're going to come to this, click on the SQL, double tap it once more to download the SQL, save it. Then come over here back to the PHP admin. Let's tap on it once more. It's taking time. Cancel that, tap on it once more. So after that, so we've already uploaded it to our public HTML. If you upload it in the server public HTML, this. Okay, now let's go back to the domain, the subdomain data. Click on this. If you click on project, it should actually take us to a place to install it. Okay. So you have to configure this. We've not configured it yet. So let's go over here to okay now the PHP admin section has loaded. Waiting for this to take us to our local host. So come over here, identify domain name you created. This is the domain. This is the database name we created before. So make sure to identify it, then upload it here. Click on import over here. Then click on choose file. Double tap it. Scroll down. Then click on import. You don't need to do any of the, don't tick anything, don't touch, don't mess with this place at all, at all. Just leave it that way. So now we've imported it. So I want to actually need to open the browser in our next phase and navigate to the domain, which should automatically redirect us to like the installation wizard. So waiting for this to complete the importation. So let's go over to the website itself and open this. We're going to need to configure it in our env file over here. So localhost database bill payments. So we're going to we need to configure it here. Well, let's see if we're going to actually need to click on the slash install button. Okay, yeah, so you need to click on the install button. So let's go over here and we're going to extract this to like the main data. So we're going to put this and every single thing in this project file. We're going to bring it outside here. So I'm going to click on this. But if I'm not going to delete, I'm not going to select all. I'm going to delete everything here. So after deletion, every single thing here, I'm just going to upload it outside. Select all, then click on move. Then basically just erase the project section, erase it. Then click on move files. So now that we've done that, we've moved it. So now if we actually type in our database or our subdomain URL, it should basically take us to the installation wizard. But if he actually does this for you, simply ignore it, click on dash, then click on install. This should prompt the server and everything to actually install the website for you. So click on requirements. As you can see, the server itself ticks all the boxes over here. Just click on check permission. So you can see it says bootstrap, cache, storage app, framework. Now to do this, go back to the files, locate the folder itself. Remember, this says bootstrap and cache. It needs permission of 0775. So come over here, click on bootstrap, change the permission. Right click on to change the permission, then click on this, then save permissions. Then go back. Let's come over here, check again. As you can see, we've ticked the first box. So now we're going to do this for the last three, which is storage, app, framework, and logs. So come over here again. This is storage. I have identified storage. Click on this. I want to double click on it to actually go inside. Then all this I want to select all, not all, but the top three. Then click on that. Then come over here to the installation wizard. Check again. So now we've done that. So now let's click on the setup products. As you can see, it says purchase code. So just simply type in this code I'm going to give you. When I give you the scripts, when I give you the website script, simply type in this code. As for the email, I'm just going to go with this. So now, remember when I said it was very important for you to actually save your database name. So now this is the database name I created. Database user, database name. These two. As for the password, type in the password. This is why I say you shouldn't forget. So now, for us to proceed, basically we want to make sure that our SQL has been successfully imported over here. So I'm going to click on this, duplicate the tab,